to Moafrika Shop. Today I shall show you how to buy the second annual Makarapa Day Ticket. On the browser, you type www.moafrika.shop, or you may just use the link they shared with you to buy the tickets. When you go to our homepage, the Makarapa Day tickets are the first products on the website, and you can easily access them. You then choose the tickets which you'd like to buy between general tickets or VVIP. Then simply click on the ticket you'd like to buy. After reloading, details of the event shall appear on your screen. Then you may choose the quantity which you want. After choosing your quantity, just simply add to cart. From cart, you have to proceed to checkout, where you will fill in your billing details. When you get to checkout, you fill in your billing details, and when you are done, you fill in the attendee details. The attendee details are extremely important. They help us to send the ticket directly to the attendee or to communicate with the attendee regarding their ticket. It is also advisable to put in the original surname and name, email address, and contact number. There are two payment methods: the direct bank transfer and the instant EFT. With the direct bank transfer, you shall receive the banking details which you shall deposit the money into and use the order number as your reference. The second option is to use your cell phone app. Use the order number as reference, add our account, and pay for your ticket. With the instant EFT, you select it and place your order. In this case, we shall make an example using Capitec Bank. It will then require your bank account number or username. I suggest that you use your account number. Click on Login. The bank shall send a message to your app so you may confirm payment. Open your app and use your password to confirm payment. After confirmation, you must then choose the bank type you want to use to pay for the amount. That will then reflect in your account. You will then receive your ticket automatically.